Got a light? Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to show you how I made this fancy little pendant lamp out of this IKEA utensil holder. So stay tuned.
Got a light?
For this project, you're going to need this IKEA utensil holder, some wire cutters, a pair of scissors, a screwdriver, and some electrical wire. I'm using this antique style cloth wire, a lamp socket, some electrical tape, and a lamp plug, and one of these. This is a compression strain relief, and what it does is it slides over the wire. When the two pieces are connected, the metal piece screwing on top of the plastic piece, it's going to really hold on to the wire and absorb all the strain that's placed on the wire, so that way no tension is going to be put on the electrical connections. I'm going to start out by trimming off about 1 inch of the cloth that's on the wire. And I'm just lightly scoring the cloth with the scissors, so that way I'm only removing the cloth and not cutting the wire itself. Typically you'll find that your wires are black and white, where black is the hot wire and white is the neutral. You can see that these are brown and blue, and so in this case the brown is the hot wire and the blue is the neutral wire. These porcelain lamp sockets have 2 screws inside that connect the backing plate, so I'm going to undo those screws so that way we can have access to the screw terminals to connect the wires. I like to take a bit of electrical tape with these cloth wires and just tape up the frayed ends of the cloth. You're going to make a little hook on the brown wire, which will be the hot wire, and then this is going to connect to the brass screw on the socket, which is the hot connection. And then the blue will connect to the silver screw, which is the neutral. And then you just reattach the cap to the socket. cap has a screw connection. We're going to pull this through, and then that is going to screw on to the plastic fitting that's poking through the utensil holder from the strain relief, and we're going to screw those together. Then we're going to slide the metal cap from the strain relief over the wire all the way and connect it to the plastic part. And now you can see that all the tension of the wire is held within that. Now we're going to repeat what we did on the other end of our wire so that way we can connect our plug. So we just use a screwdriver to pry off this outer portion of the socket so we can access the screws. Now this is a non-polarized plug. You can see that both screws are silver, so it isn't going to matter which wire we attach to which screw. I started making lamps as some of my earliest DIY projects. This IKEA hack was something I did about 8 years ago, and I thought it would be just a really great DIY beginner project to redo and share with you all.
Joy to the world.
Well, I hope you guys liked this project. It was really simple to do. Just remember, if Crane can do it, you can too. I'll see you next time.
Got a light?